Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw butterflies in the garden. So let's get started. At first draw up and down zigzag lines like this. From here down to up, draw a bent line and draw a flower like this. Same, draw another flower. Now draw butterfly. For the butterfly, at first draw a small circle. Draw another small circle inside for eyes. Draw two bent lines for nectars. From here, draw a bent line and go up and join and make small lines inside. From here, go up, make it round and join down like this. From here, go round and join. Now make some pattern. Our butterfly is ready. Now draw another butterfly. At first draw a small circle. Now draw two small circles, two sides. Now draw two bent line for nectars. Now draw body. The same way. From here, go up, make it round, go inside, then again go round and make a bent line and join. Same another side, you go round, then go inside, then outside and little bit bent and then join the lines. Now draw two patterns here and other side also. This butterfly is ready. Now draw one side another butterfly. Now our drawing is ready for coloring. For the butterfly's body, I am using brown. For the wings, I am using deep pink and purple. If you like any other color, you can use it. For this flower, I am using red and inside I am using yellow. For this flower, I am using yellow and inside red. For this flower, I am using orange. I am using golden yellow. For this butterfly, I am using deep purple and light pink. Now I am using deep pink and normal pink. For the grass, I am using light green. Now I am using deep green. For the shading, I am using deep blue. For shading and outlining, I am using black. Our drawing is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.